GD and I am here to talk about multimedia. So, what is multimedia and multimedia content? Based on my opinion, multimedia is a type of media that use in their daily lives, and multimedia content is
Hey bro, what are you doing? What are you talking about? You're right that multimedia is used in our daily life, but it's not just all about that.
of course not. I remember all the details.
Then, do you know that multimedia has elements?
Yes, of course. The elements are text, audio, image, animation, and video. How about you? Do you know about what multimedia?
Yes, multimedia is a system that combines different types of content to communicate information. The elements are text, image, audio, animation, and video.
Wow, I thought you didn't know about multimedia.
And also multimedia content enhances communication, storytelling, and information retention by catering to diverse learning style. These are video, audio, online tests, customer, podcast, and broadcast.
In our lesson earlier, don't forget the use of multimedia. There are 5 uses of multimedia such as entertainment, business communication, entertainment, public access of information, and also virtual reality.
Wow, I can't believe all of you are so smart. Thanks for helping me here. Thanks, guys.
You're welcome, bro.
So, this is not what expected from my classmate who accidentally joined my blog, but thanks for all now understand multimedia content. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.
In our lesson earlier, youth. Storytelling and communication retention by catering to the alakay.